To start, just tap the background at makikita natin na may purple line na nag-appear sa mga gilid, and this indicates that this element is selected. And then mapapansin din natin na may lumabas na editor toolbar dito sa baba. So after that, you can tap this replace to change the background. You can choose from your own gallery, or you can take a photo if you allow the Canva to take pictures and videos to replace the background. And here naman is the color palette. You can change your background using brand colors. You can choose from solid colors or gradients, or input your own custom color using hex codes. Ito yung hex codes. Using hex codes is straightforward. So once you have selected an element or object that you want to customize, navigate to the color picker tool here. You will notice a text field where you can enter a hex code. So it's important to ensure the hex code you enter is valid. Okay, I will enter a code. Gusto ko yung pink kasi yun yung gusto ng pamangkin ko. Yung medyo cute lang na kulay. Hindi masakit sa mata. Here. So, yan. Then, if you want something specific, you can search on the search bar. Like, for example, blue. Then, makikita mo yung different shades of blue. My deep blue, my coffee blues, and more. So, now, I'll put an elements na for the design. So, now, punta ako sa Elements tab. Here, and I will search for a blob. Okay. I will go to Graphics. Hanap mo na ako ng mga blobs. Here, ito yung nahanap ko. I'll choose 4. Here, yellow. Okay, ayan. So, ayan na. Now, I will change the color naman. So, ito yung uunahin ko. Itong blob. So, kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa yung kulay ng blob. So, dalawa rin yung kulay dito sa editor toolbar. Orange and yellow. So, I want to change the color orange. So, itatap ko itong orange one. And you can choose any colors na gusto mong ipalit. So, I'll choose different shade of pink. Yan, iba na siya. So, now you can rotate it using a rotate handle that looks like a 2 circular arrows here. Click and hold that while you are slowly rotating. And now you can change its size as well and drag it kung saan mo gustong ilagay yung blob. So, there. Next naman, itong green. So, isang kulay lang din lumabas sa editor toolbar. Ito, green. So, tap mo lang yan para maraming available color ang lumabas. So, I'll change it to violet. Yan. Then, ito namang blob na yellow. Parang boring siya. So, but if you don't like the color or the blob, you can delete this element by tapping this little trash here. Okay, trash bin in the floating toolbar. So, yan. Wala na. And if you want to duplicate an element naman, just tap this little plus here. Yan, dalawa na. Then, if you want to lock an element, go to more icon. Okay, from the editor toolbar. Then, tap the lock. Okay, this is to avoid making unintentional changes to them while you edit other parts of your design. And then, you can simply unlock the element by tapping the unlock position icon from the floating toolbar. So, ganun lang yun. So, yan. Okay na siya. So, now, maglalagay ako ng frame. Okay? Let's go to frames. Here you have different kinds of frames. My basic shapes, my flower frames, and many more. So, doon tayo sa blob. Okay? Sa mukhang blob. Okay? Hanap lang tayo ng medyo circle. Okay? Yan, medyo circle lang siya. And we can change its border style by going to the editor bar below. Just tap this style tab here. And we can change the frame's border weight. Ganyan. Oh, di ba? And corner rounding. Yan. And more. Then, you can go to border color tab to change its border color. Ayan. Ayan. And then, here, you can see a color tab. You can use this color palette generator to put your desired color to the whole frame. But, I will not use that. Pero, papakita ko kung ano yung itsura niya. Here. Ayan. And then, i-undo ko na lang kasi I don't want to use it. Ayan. Diba? So, let's just add an image. I'll go to the gallery tab. Okay. Nag-search lang ako sa Google ng pic na kamukha ng pamangkin ko. She has curly hair and she loves lollipop. Okay. So, nasaan na siya? Yung video ay na tinownload ko. Here. Okay. So, ito siya. So, Android gamit natin. So, we can drag and drop the picture. Tap lang natin yan. Okay, tap lang natin yan. Tap lang natin. And add to page. So, from there, mapupunta na siya dyan. Then, let's drag the picture to the frame. And you can see it na nasa loob na siya ng frame. Diba? Ang bilis lang. And you can, again, adjust the size. So, mapapansin nyo, marami pa tayong makikita dito sa editor toolbar na nasa baba. Okay. We can flip the picture. Okay. Horizontally and vertically by going to the flip tab. This one. Pero sa akin, okay na yan. Pwede rin natin i-crop by just tapping this crop. Pero ako, I will not crop it na. And then, Canva offers a wide range of effects that can be used to enhance and customize your designs. So, this include filters. Okay. For photos. So, itong dalawang to, which can adjust the color, brightness, and contrast an image. Okay. Dito sa filters tab, you can enhance your image from natural to warm, cool, vivid, okay, and more. Yan. From adjust tab naman, you can adjust the image by its temperature, tint, brightness, clarity, shadows, the vignette, and more. Depende kung whole image, foreground, or background yung gusto mong i-adjust. Dito ka lang sa baba mag-a-adjust. Okay, yan. Foreground, background, yan. So, ayan. Then, mag-add tayo ng another element. I'll search for heart border. Dito tayo sa elements. Heart border. Heart border. heart border. Ayan. So, ito, maraming heart border yung lumabas. I'll choose this one. Okay. Okay, pwede nating tanggalin tong border na to. Okay, let's just go to style. Then, yan, wala na. Then, palitan natin to. Ayan. And, let's change its color to there. Ganyan. So, ayan. Then, let's go to elements again to search for flag party. Okay. Here. Let's go to graphics. And then, lagay natin to. Here. Ayan na siya. Lagay natin siya dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may animation siya. Okay. Animation. Gumagalaw siya eh. Then, let's add text. Punta tayo sa text. Hanap lang tayo. Here. Then, edit the text. Ayan. Then, you can ungroup the text by deleting it. Ganyan. So, yun na. Ungroup lang natin. Tapos, delete. Yan. So, yan na. If you want to change the text styles and font size, just go to the editor toolbar below. Okay. This one. Ito. Pwede kang pumili dito ng mga font styles na gusto mo. Pero yung akin okay na yan. Then, yung text styles, dito mo makikita yung ginamit mong font size. And then, you can change the color too by going to the color tab. Then, I'll change it to okay na rin yung black. That's it. And then, yung size, pwede nating paliitan. Or, pwede rin dito sa font size, ganyan. Ganyan. Pwede nating i-adjust lang kung anong gusto mong size. So, ayan. Now, duplicate natin tong text na to. And rewrite. Isulat ko tong sending you my warmest wishes and safety. Ayan. Then, change natin yung font. Okay, I'll search here. So, ayan. Ayan. Parang tama ba? Parang hindi naman. Okay. So, ayan na. Okay. And then, you can change the format by just going here to the format tab. Okay, sa font style na ginamit ko, hindi available yung bold and italic, pero sa ibang font style, available yan. So, yan. You can underline the text. You can strike through it. You can change it to uppercase. You can align left, center, align right, justify, and you can also put bullets kung kailangan mo maglagay ng bullets. And then you can add numberings. So, ayan. Diba? But I will undo it. Kasi hindi ko naman yan gagamitin. Punta ko lang siya sa center. So, ayan. And now, we can change its effect by going to the effects tool. Here. Sa style, we can change it to shadow, left, hollow, and more. Sa shape naman, we can curve it or just tap the none if you don't like it. Okay? So, ayan. Undo lang natin. Okay, undo lang natin. Undo. Yan, undo lang natin. So, okay na yan. So, let's put this one. Lagay lang tayo nito. Okay. So, yan. Okay na siya. Next, itong layers tab here. Okay, just tap it. Okay, dito sa all, dito mo makikita yung mga elements and pictures that you use. Then, sa overlapping naman, dito mo makikita yung mga elements and pictures na ginamit mo na nag-overlapping, okay? To overlay to images, upload your base image to your chosen template or a blank layout. You can then upload your secondary image or choose from the stock library. Okay, pwede mong ma-adjust and change the position of the image. And then for small movements naman, tap on the nudge on the editor toolbar and use the arrow buttons here. You can nudge it to left, right, up, and down. Okay, that's it. The next thing we will do is to add overlays. Okay, let's visit again the Elements tab. Okay, and add overlays. Okay, I will search for pink glitter star. Yan. Punta tayo sa graphics. Yan. Then, hanap lang tayo ng so, let's use this one. So, as you can see, natabunan na yung picture. But if you want people to view the background even after you add overlays, you can adjust the opacity. Okay, here, on the editor toolbar, makikita natin na yung opacity. Okay, by using this transparency tab, then ma-adjust natin dito yung opacity ng image. Medyo malabo. Pero don't worry. Okay? But don't worry. We can change the position of the element by tapping this position tool. This one. Then, here we can see the options. Pipili ka lang if you want to position the element or picture backward or forward. Yan, pipili ka lang. Then yan, di ba? Dito sa more. Here you can copy and paste. And if you want to edit an element at the same time, first you need to do is just tap on element you want to edit. Just like this one. Or this one. That one. Okay. And tap the select multiple. And after that, you can add other elements to the selection. Kahit ilan. And from there, you can edit the elements at the same time. Kung gusto mo palitan ng kulay, and kung gusto mo mag-iba ng font style, yan. Pwede kang mag-select multiple para at the same time, lahat mo maiiba. And you have your comments here. And you can use to backward, bring forward, send backward your element here. Okay? And you can lock your elements here or your background. Then you can input alternative text, replace background, and delete. The next thing we will do is ito. Ayusin natin yung spelling ng warmest. Kasi mali is spelling ko. Yan. Sending you my warmest wishes for good health and safety. So, ayan. Mayroon akong tricks na i-share sa inyo. So, tanggalin ko muna to. Then, I will click this image. Then, I will go to more tab. Okay. Then, I will tap this apply colors to. Tapos, yan. Magiging kakulay na ng picture yung buong design. Tapos, pwede mo pa yan palit-palitan. Look. Pwede mo pa yan mapalit-palitan. Ayan. So, yan. Ito yung napili ko. Then, I will put this one back. So, for the final touch, I'm gonna go to elements and search for glitter. Okay, I will search here in the graphics. And I'm gonna add this one here. I'll put this one here. Sa Natasha. And let's go back again for star glitter. I'm gonna add this one. Then duplicate. Okay, and let's go to the position. Ganyan. Okay. Let's go back again and search for gold highlight. Gold highlight. So, yan. I'm gonna put this one and duplicate again. Tapos palitin natin yung star. Balitin natin ng star. Then let's change the color. Yung brown dito. From that. Okay. Okay, then let's add another glitter again. Star glitter. Or kahit duplicate na lang natin dito. So, ayan. Duplicate lang. Tapos, ayusin lang natin ito. So, may mga animations yung ginamit natin. Then, kung gusto mo maglagay ng animation, just go to Animate tab. Okay, here. Here you can see the basic animations and motion effects and more. Pili ka lang. From basic, exaggerate, motion effects, ganyan. Marami yan. And then, if you want to edit naman yung picture, meron din ditong effects for the image. Yan, makikita mo. The shadows. Here, yung glow, may drop. Yan. Then, yung filters, here may warm, cool, vivid. So, iba lang yung elements ng filter at saka image. And then dito sa effect pala, meron din mga effects na ganito. Yung blur, ganito. You'll use a brush. And then, autofocus, ganyan. So, ito na yung final design natin. What I'm going to do now is to save the design. Actually, Canva automatically saves the design as you work. If your edits don't automatically save, you can also manually save them. Now, I want to download it. Go to Save As and go to Download. So, Canva has already suggested to download it by MP4 kasi I use an animation. Again, if you use elements that were animated, make sure to download that one page that you use for animation in. Otherwise, this element will become static, so make sure to do it differently. But we will see the different options on how we can download our designs for free. Here, we can save it to GPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, and GIF. The SVG is for Pro again. Hindi natin pwede yan magamit. Remember, we just use Canva for free. Kaya if we download the design with animation, just expect it to be blurred. Medyo malabo siya. Note, you can download your design in JPG kahit gumamit ka ng animations. Don't worry, malinaw yung picture. Okay, let's download it na. So, ayan. We have this saying, "Good design is good business" by Thomas Watsons Jr. Okay, finish na.